Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the site cache data from Chrome app on iPhone. Launch your Chrome app. This is the new tab page. Tap on this 3 dot for options, and within the options, you would be able to see this clear browsing data. Just select that. And right now it is selected to clear cookies. So what you can do is you can uncheck that and select the cached images and files, and then once you are selected, at the top you would be able to see this time range. From here you can choose what time range you want to clear the cache for. Say suppose I want to clear the cache for 7 days. I can just choose that option, and once it is selected, I can just simply select this clear browsing data command and verify. Command is verified. You would be able to see the cache data has been reduced to less than 1 MB. So in this way you can clear the cache data from Chrome app on iPhone. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.